So let's keep talking about spying. So
Okay.
it's not just spying with hardware and spyware. It turns out that there's another story here that Twitter actually fired a spy for Saudi Arabia. Now, I found this story interesting, especially considering the fact that Saudi Arabia has been in the news for the last couple of weeks over the Khashoggi murder and execution. And so then all of a sudden somebody goes, well, back in December of 2015, didn't we catch a spy for the Saudi government working at Twitter?
He was
Uh,
working at Twitter, like in the United
he
States?
was, yeah.
Okay.
I'm actually not sure what office he was working out of. They may have offices overseas, but this spy specifically targeted Twitter, got a job there, and was monitoring accounts that were negative um, to against the Saudi government. So if Khashoggi had a Twitter account, that's what this guy would have been doing. And depending on what access he had, he could have shut them down. He could have censored them. Who knows what the plan was? But apparently it was discovered in time, and Twitter says nothing terrible was done on behalf of the Saudi Arabian government before we
What?
found him.
How awkward would that office conversation be? Hey Jim, what are you doing over there in your cubicle? Do you want to come over here for a minute? We have to talk about something.
Just a minute, just spying here on dissidents from the Saudi Arabian government.
Click.
Just a second.
Close, close, click.
Undo, undo.
Are you doing espionage in your cubicle? No.
No, these beige walls are.
Well, that's
Fucking
kind of the
fine.
whole
Yep.
crazy thing about Khashoggi, right? I mean,
Yeah.
wasn't he murdered? Well, I mean, supposedly, we don't know for sure, but
Oh,
don't
they've
they?
come out and admitted he died. So that's recent. That finally the Saudi Arabian government has said what we've all known all along. They admitted he has died in the consulate. They just lost his body.
So did he slip on the bathroom floor while he was taking a leak, or what was?
No, no, they said it was a fist fight. I mean, hey, have you seen this guy? He's a brawler. Not at all.
He's like, he's like, he's somebody that's old enough to go to Costco and enjoy an ice cream there.
He
I can't,
is.
I can't
And
picture.
apparently he takes on 15 Saudi Arabian government agents that are his kill squad, including a forensics expert with a bone saw. He looks at
Uh-huh.
him and he's like, I will take you on. Anyways, yeah,
Wild.
that's the latest. So yes, spies are everywhere.
Even on Twitter, we are not spies. But I think if somebody worked for YouTube for the Saudi government, they'd probably be watching this video right now and flagging us because we brought them up several times for the past podcast.
Dan, we are in so much trouble. Saudi Arabia, Russia especially. I guarantee you Putin knows exactly who we are.
With the moose and squirrel. And if I slip in a bathroom somewhere, you all know what happened.
Just record it on your Fitbit. We've already said that, so we're gonna
I always have my Fitbit recording everything, including this.